The United States Army has unveiled ambitious plans to procure 1 million drones, signaling a transformative shift in its combat capabilities. This massive acquisition aims to significantly boost surveillance, reconnaissance, and offensive operations across various theaters. The move underscores a profound commitment to leveraging unmanned technology for future conflicts, solidifying the United States' technological superiority in defense. A major step towards digital transformation has been taken by the Pakistan government, with the official establishment of the Pakistan Digital Authority. This new body will spearhead efforts to digitize public services, promote e-governance, and foster a robust digital economy. Its creation signals a concerted national drive to modernize infrastructure and enhance digital literacy for all citizens, propelling Pakistan into a new era. Following the reported collapse of talks in Istanbul, the interim Afghan government, led by the Taliban, has issued a stern warning to Pakistan. The warning is understood to relate to cross-border security and alleged militant activities. This development underscores escalating tensions and the persistent challenges in achieving stable relations and coordinated counter-terrorism efforts along their shared border. A proposed 27th Amendment is reportedly under consideration, aiming to establish a single Chief of Defense Forces to oversee all military services. This significant legislative change seeks to centralize command, enhance interoperability, and streamline strategic decision-making across the Army, Navy, and Air Force. The move is seen as a major reform to unify military leadership under a singular authority. From Gwadar to Washington, this is Pakistangeo Defence Update, Pakistan's voice in the world of defense and geopolitics. Please subscribe. In a potentially game-changing development for regional security, Iran has reportedly expressed interest in joining a defense alliance involving Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. This unprecedented outreach, if materialized, would represent a dramatic realignment of forces in the Middle East and South Asia, given historical rivalries and complex geopolitical dynamics. While details remain sparse, such a move could foster greater regional stability through collective security, or conversely, introduce new complexities to existing power balances. This potential alliance underscores evolving strategic priorities and a desire among regional powers to forge new partnerships outside traditional blocs, marking a pivotal moment for diplomatic and military relations in the wider Islamic world. Travel chaos continues to grip the United States as airlines have been forced to ground hundreds of flights for a second consecutive day. The widespread cancellations and delays are impacting tens of thousands of passengers, causing significant disruptions to travel plans across the country. While the exact causes vary, factors such as severe weather in key hubs, air traffic control staffing shortages, and ongoing operational issues are being cited. Airlines are working to rebook affected passengers, but many are facing extended waits and frustrated journeys. This ongoing situation underscores the fragility of the nation's air travel system and the challenges in maintaining smooth operations amidst unforeseen external pressures and internal strain. A significant breakthrough in air defense technology has been achieved with a new radar array reportedly capable of detecting stealth aircraft beyond 400 kilometers. This advanced system leverages next-generation sensing and processing capabilities to overcome the challenges posed by low observable technologies, which have long been difficult to track. The development provides a crucial advantage in monitoring airspace and identifying high-value aerial threats from extended ranges. This technological leap enhances national air defense networks, offering an early warning capability that could fundamentally alter the dynamics of aerial surveillance and interception against advanced adversaries. In a significant demonstration of advanced naval warfare capabilities, a new supersonic anti-ship missile has achieved pinpoint accuracy during a recent live-fire test. The missile, traveling at speeds multiple times the speed of sound, successfully engaged and destroyed its designated target with exceptional precision. This successful test highlights breakthroughs in guidance systems, propulsion, and warhead technology, underscoring its potential to neutralize even heavily defended naval targets. The development of such a highly accurate and rapid strike weapon significantly enhances a nation's naval deterrence and strike capabilities, posing a formidable threat to adversary fleets and reshaping the dynamics of modern maritime combat. China has officially unveiled its new YJ-1000 one-ton precision-guided bomb, showcasing a significant addition to its advanced conventional weaponry. This formidable weapon is designed for pinpoint accuracy against hardened targets, offering enhanced, destructive power and reduced collateral damage through advanced guidance systems. The YJ-1000's introduction highlights China's continuous investment in sophisticated aerial munitions and its growing capabilities in precision strike technology. This development will likely garner attention from military analysts globally, as it further solidifies China's position as a leading developer and potential exporter of cutting-edge conventional weaponry. Defense cooperation is reportedly becoming a significant new pillar in the relationship between Turkey and Germany, potentially drawing the two NATO allies closer. Despite past diplomatic strains, recent discussions indicate a renewed focus on joint defense projects, technology sharing, and strategic collaboration, particularly concerning European security and regional challenges. This evolving defense partnership could pave the way for enhanced military interoperability and a more unified approach to complex security issues within the alliance. Analysts suggest this closer defense alignment reflects changing geopolitical realities and a mutual recognition of the strategic benefits of deeper collaboration in military and industrial sectors. Reliable defense sources are hinting at a major upgrade for a nation's cruise missile arsenal, featuring a complete digital guidance overhaul. This significant enhancement would dramatically improve accuracy, stealth capabilities, and resistance to electronic countermeasures, ensuring greater effectiveness against modern air defense systems. The digital overhaul represents a leap in precision strike technology, allowing for more flexible mission planning and target engagement in complex environments. This development underscores a commitment to continuous modernization of strategic capabilities, aiming to maintain a credible deterrent and project power with enhanced precision and reliability against evolving threats. A senior official from the United Arab Emirates has indicated that the UAE probably will not join any multinational stabilization force for Gaza. The official emphasized the need for a comprehensive peace plan and a clear pathway to a two-state solution before considering such a commitment. This statement reflects a cautious stance among key regional players regarding post-conflict arrangements in Gaza, highlighting concerns that without a viable political horizon, any stabilization effort would be unsustainable. The UAE's position underscores the broader challenge facing international efforts to establish a lasting peace and security framework in the region. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments section, and please answer today's question.